for dessert, we asked them what they had because we wanted something to cool down a little bit. And they said, well, try these. And it was basically a banana fritter. Now, that's a very popular Thai dish. So easy, so we're going to make our version of that tonight. And this is not necessarily a Thai food thing. You can do this. It's not a real super sweet dessert, but it's kind of a doughy, donutty,
like a
wonderful little thing.
Donut with bananas in it.
So let's show them how we do that.
All right. So I have got a half cup of flour here. And right
Just
here.
all-purpose flour.
Yes, all-purpose flour.
Okay.
And I've got a tablespoon and a half of sugar. Put that together. All right, and then I have half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt I've mixed together here.
Alrighty.
That's our fry. And I'm also going to add for flavor a little bit of nutmeg. What do you think?
We could taste nutmeg in that.
Yeah.
I was pretty sure that's just a dash, right?
Yeah, just a little bit. Give it some flavor. And I like cinnamon too.
Gotta have some cinnamon.
Gotta have some cinnamon. So that's our dry. Now, you know how you have bananas laying around? See how these are getting a little brown? When you usually do banana bread, we're going to do banana fritters instead.
And this is really, oh, well, you'll see here in a minute.
Delicious.
This is one of my favorite things. Sometimes I don't like stuff that's real sweet, unless it's oatmeal cookies, or chocolate cake, or apple pie, or pecan
That's true.
pie.
You got a problem with that. All right.
Especially oatmeal cookies.
What'd I
Those
do?
are really sweet.
They're sweet.
I just lied. I'm sorry.
Okay, one banana. We're just gonna make a single recipe of this. And you know, as you kind of smash these up, they get kind of juicier and juicier.
A beautiful bunch of ripe bananas.
That's right.
And this is a tasty little treat.
Yes, it
It's
is.
just a tasty little treat.
Now, while I'm mixing this, I'm gonna take one of our chicken eggs. Let's add that.
So that's, right now, that's just banana and egg.
Banana and one egg. I have a tablespoon of cream. Could be half and half milk. And also a tablespoon of butter that I've melted if you want to dump that in
pour
here.
that in?
Yeah,
Gotta have your butter.
gotta have butter. I still got a couple chunks in here, but I think we're okay with that. Now we're gonna add
The dry stuff.
our dry stuff. I'm just gonna pour it all in.
Do you need a whisk? Or are you good to go?
I think the fork will be okay. What do you think?
One more thing.
That was your idea too. This is a
Kelly
great
reminded
idea.
us to put that in there.
Gotta have some, just for fun, coconut.
What's that, a tablespoon?
Probably, maybe a couple. That makes it better.
And you notice she didn't put 2 cups of sugar in there.
No, not much sugar. The banana's so sweet. That makes it delicious. All right, smell that. Oh, yum.
You know what it smells like? It smells like banana ice cream.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
So that's ready. So all you
It's
do
ready.
is plop it in there.
You let me know when the oil's
Let
good.
me see. We shimmery? I think we can go.
Shimmery.
I think we can go.
All right, you can make these as big as you want. Let's do, what do you think, like an oval size like that? There you go.
So now you'll notice that because she put her baking powder and soda in there, they're rising. And again, we don't have a real high heat on this. These are going to brown nice and easy. They brought us sweet chili sauce to dip these in. I thought, I don't know about that. And then I dipped it in the sweet chili sauce.
You liked it, didn't you?
And I was like, I'm so happy.
I kind of like powdered sugar.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of like a donut.
And again, just enough oil to float them. Oh, would you
Yummy.
look? Would you look? That's exactly what they look like.
They're perfect.
You can make these as thin or as thick as you like, but they really do have a donutty kind of flavor
They do.
going on. Again, we don't have our oil at 400 degrees.
Right.
We're probably in the, if I had to guess, the 275 zone.
Those look perfect. They look like they've risen up like a little donut.
You can see when they get brown on the bottom.
Yeah.
When they get brown on the bottom, you know they're done. All right, do you want some chili sauce on yours?
I don't. You probably do, don't
Look
you?
at that. Oh, they're still hot.
Oh, too hot to touch.
I really like that chili sauce on that.
I'm just gonna eat it like a donut.
Sweet chili sauce.
Look at the middle of that. It's like a piece of fried banana bread, isn't it?
I think it's better.
It's like a donut too. Yeah, it's really good.
I really do like that sweet chili sauce on that.
You know what I like about this? It's not too sweet. It's just there's not much sugar. It's the banana flavor, isn't it? Makes it
So
really
we should
good.
make more?
We should, because there's not much sugar in it and it's all fruit.
Oh.
It's fruit.
And we don't have to worry about double dipping because she's not doing that.
Oh wow, delicious. I like the coconut too.
Got a little crunch on the outside.
That's perfect.
That's hard to beat.
I'm gonna finish making all these and we'll put them
That's-
for morning, for breakfast. What do you think?
Do you know what? You could take that, you could dip that in an egg and make you a French toast out of it.
Good
It would be
idea.
out of this world. Think about that.
Some more butter
Make
and
them just a
syrup.
little bit bigger.
I like that.
That's how food ideas are born. Think about that. Roll it in egg.
Oh, that would be real. I'm gonna do
That's
that
the
tomorrow.
bread. I mean, make them a little bigger.
All right, so I'm gonna make some tonight. You'll do that for breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Sounds
Woo.
good.